Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be showing you how to burn and flood your apartment. So first off is burn it down. So I'm going to turn on all of these. I think if I can turn them on, because sometimes it's kind of hard to turn them on. Ugh. Okay, maybe different camera angle. How the frick do you turn this on? Yeah, sometimes these are hard to turn off. Ignore that. These are hard to turn on and on. Maybe a fire could start if I leave. There, finally. Alright, so now you just gotta wait for like 2 minutes while a few minutes is up. What am I doing? As you can see, I'm Carly Shay and I'm no longer Rapunzel as I used to be. I'm gonna close this door. Close this door. As you can see, there's no fire yet. Maybe you could start it, but it'll start eventually. You can also fill your apartment up with tea, but I do not know how to do that, so bear with me. Okay, what I'm not gonna. So while we wait for the fire to start, let's see. All right, so. 26 minutes for my reward. I can see there's no fire yet. Look at outside. It's always raining. It's always raining. I don't know why. Can you go through this? You can go through it. I don't know why, but you can go through it. Look at me, I'm just signed on. Let's check if there's a fire yet. It's been exactly 2 minutes. And I heard that a fire would start in 2 minutes. So maybe after like this, I'll watch the fire start. Come on, fire, start. Oh, the cables are on. Oh my god. Wait. Hold on. What in the world? Oh, here it comes. This is so funny. Hello, well, that's so hilarious. Well, I'm going to wait for the fire to start, so let's just walk around the apartment just until the fire starts. And then I'm going to put it out by flooding the whole apartment. It only floods down here, though, so yeah. This is where the bathroom and is, but we're not gonna go in there. Let's check and see if there's a big fire. No, I can literally look from there. There's no big fires yet. I'm gonna shut the curtains. Alright, let's check. Still no fire? Wow. Well, I'm like crazy shutting the curtains and stuff, lol. Oh! There's a fire! Oh! Yup! Yup, fire. Look, there's a big fire. Yo, big. Look at the fire. Oh no, the cake. Oh no. Oh shoot, look at the cake. It burned. Oh my god, god, I'm sitting in it. Oh, fire hair! Fire hair! Oh! Oh my god. Wait, did the fire spread in here? Can it go in here? Oh my god, it is in here. Holy moly, guacamole. That whole room's on fire. Oh my god, my bed. Oh my god, as you can see, the whole apartment's on fire. You have nothing, there's nothing to do besides just walk around in the fire. But now it's time to show you how you can flood the apartment. Let's just do this. Oh my god, everything's like literally on fire. Alright. Let me just turn the sink on. This is how you can flood your apartment. And not have, right now it's still on fire. Alright. See, now the fire is out. Let me just put these out. Now the fire is out. There's no more fire. But now you can see that the whole place is flooded, and how to unflood it is just turn off the sink. It's pretty simple. See, now the flood is going down. So you guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe.